Incredible golden charcoal chicken pieces swimming in creamy curry sauce means yum yum yum. Yes, chicken tikka masala. This is a must try recipe because it's very easy to make in one pan with very simple ingredients. You can use paneer for its veg version. So let's begin. First, we'll marinate the chicken for chicken tikka. Here we have taken 300 grams chicken breast cut into thin strips, 1/4 cup curd, 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder. Here I have used Shan chicken tikka masala. In a mixing bowl, combine the washed and clean chicken strips along with salt, turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste and tikka masala. Mix it well. Now add yogurt and oil. Mix again and allow it to sit for at least 30 minutes. Till the time we'll prepare our masala paste. For masala paste we have taken 2 onion, 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 green cardamom, 1 star anise, 1 inch cinnamon, half tablespoon cumin seeds, 4 to 5 soaked almonds, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, tikka masala 2 tablespoons, salt to taste and oil. Now put some oil in the pan and add onions. Fry them till it becomes soft. In the same pan, add 4 to 5 soaked almonds. Fry it well. Now add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and add our garam masala, that is whole spices. Now add chopped tomatoes. Now add salt and red chili powder. Saute very well. And add a cup of hot water. Now cover it and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Once tomatoes and onions are cooked well, switch off the gas and let it cool completely. Once it cooled completely, blend it to a smooth paste. You can strain the paste if you like super smooth texture. Heat a non-stick pan with some oil on medium flame. Now add marinated chicken and cook well from both the sides. Don't overcrowd the pan. You can make 2-3 batches of chicken, or you can simply grill it in microwave for 15-20 minutes. You can see the nice brown golden color of chicken. So here our chicken tikka is ready. Keep it aside. Bharat has already started with chicken tikka as a starters. Now take 1 small onion and tomato, cut into cubes. Now in same pan add little butter and saute onion and tomatoes. Give a quick toss. Now take it out and then add our prepared sauce in the same pan. We are using the same pan because we don't want to waste any juices and flavors. Now add 2 tablespoons tikka masala and keep stirring. Fry till sauce thickens and becomes deep brown red color. Now add our chicken tikkas to the saucepan. along with onion and tomatoes. Mix well. You can adjust the consistency. Let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes and finally add some kasuri methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves. Garnish it with fresh coriander. Serve it with naan or roti. This rich and creamy flavorsome chicken tikka can beat any Indian restaurant. Why go out when you can make it better at home? Hope you all like the recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.